In 2026, 47,000 jobs disappear every month to AI. That's not prediction. That's McKinsey data from last quarter. Right now, ChatGPT handles 94% of customer service tickets alone. One company, one tool, nearly total replacement. First Insight hits different. Anthropic's Claude just automated 73% of legal document review. Top firms dropped paralegal teams by half. Second wave is worse. Copy.ai replaced 12,000 content writers in 180 days. Publishing houses cut entire departments. Your job might be next. Check right now. Does your role involve writing, analysis, or customer interaction? If yes, you need this knowledge immediately. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI, every day.